Capes and Rooftops. My little brother Leo loved superheroes more than anything. His room was a city of plastic figures, each one a hero with a special power. He had so many, I think he had every single one ever made. I had my own collection of heroes, but Leo's was something special. He would spend hours arranging them, creating epic battles and daring rescues right there on his bedroom rug. One sunny afternoon, Leo tied a bright red towel around his shoulders. "I'm a superhero," he declared, and with a whoosh, he was off, running through the backyard as if he could fly. He imagined he was saving people from tall, scary buildings and big, roaring monsters. His imagination was so big, it filled the whole backyard. Then, one day, I saw him on the roof of our shed. He stood there, his red cape flapping in the wind, looking down as if he was about to take flight. My heart jumped. I ran to get Dad, and he came out just in time. "Leo, get down from there," he called, his voice firm but kind. Dad explained to Leo that superheroes weren't real. Real people can't fly, not even with the best capes in the world. Leo's face fell. He really believed his heroes were out there somewhere, flying through the sky and saving the day. Dad told him that superheroes were born in the minds of creative people, drawn to life by talented artists. They were stories, wonderful stories, but still just stories. Leo still pretends to be a superhero. He doesn't climb on roofs anymore, but he still runs through the yard, making whooshing sounds as he flies from one adventure to the next. And I have to admit, it's pretty fun to watch.